Hey there, and welcome back to Nail Chronicle. This week I've got a really cool Harry Potter design to celebrate his birthday, which was on the 29th of July. I'm a little bit late, but a few things got in the way, and so I never got around to posting this video when I planned, unfortunately. So this video is a little bit nostalgic for me for two reasons. One, Harry Potter is like the first book that I actually really enjoyed reading. I was not a big reader as a kid, but it was one of the few that I actually really liked. And also the He stamping plates that I'm using for this design are one of the first stamping plates that I actually bought, and sort of what got me into stamping. So yeah, nostalgic on two sort of different sides of the fish there. So the two reversed images, I decided to do a Hogwarts emblem and the Gryffindor emblem, which are featured in the middle of the stamping plate. Unfortunately, the red for the Gryffindor emblem ended up being a little bit too dark, and so it was a bit hard to see the Gryffindor line. I do wish I kind of used a lighter red, but I kind of went with it anyway, and it turned out alright. For the other nails on my hand, I decided just to apply a pattern, and I matched the pattern to the emblem that I was going to put in the middle of my hand with the same stamping plate, so you get that sort of like symmetry or design in between. And so I went with black and white purely because I wasn't sure exactly what colors I was going to use and how much reverse stamping I was going to do. So I decided to start with a white base just to give myself that neutral canvas and go from there. And in the end, it actually looked really cool, especially like the black and the white with the little pop of red. It gave a really cool gothic vibe that I absolutely loved, and kind of is making me want to do some more Halloween kind of style gothic nails in the near future. So maybe that could be my next design, I'm not sure yet. So for the stamping polish, I used a wide variety of mixes, but for the black I did use Hit the Bottle, just because my Conad one is running out. Though my Hit the Bottle, I do need to try it out. Apparently I can put some of the shiny, like metallic pieces on it as well, so I'll have to give that a go soon. So yeah, I just kept going along till I was really happy with the pattern, and then this is my Harry Potter design. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you're a Harry Potter fan, or if you just enjoyed the stamping video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next week, bye!